Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 25, How to Use the Subconscious Mind to Improve Relationships. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy reveals how you can harness the power of your subconscious mind to build better relationships and attract positive interactions with others. Dr. Murphy explains that your subconscious mind influences your relationships more than you realize. The thoughts, beliefs, and emotions you hold about others are projected through your subconscious, impacting how you interact with them. To improve relationships, Dr. Murphy suggests changing your beliefs about people. If you hold negative thoughts or judgments about others, your subconscious mind will reinforce those perceptions, creating tension and conflict. Instead, focus on thoughts of love, kindness, and understanding. Dr. Murphy encourages us to visualize harmonious relationships. Imagine yourself interacting with others in a loving and positive way. See yourself communicating clearly, with mutual respect, and experiencing joy in your relationships. By visualizing this, your subconscious mind will help bring these scenarios to life. Additionally, Dr. Murphy emphasizes the importance of forgiveness. Forgiving others and even yourself releases negative emotions and creates space for love and harmony. When you forgive, you free your subconscious from the grip of resentment and invite peace into your relationships. The key takeaway: improving relationships starts with changing your thoughts and beliefs about others. By focusing on positive thoughts, visualizing harmony, and practicing forgiveness, you can train your subconscious mind to help you create strong, loving connections with others. That wraps up Chapter 25. In the next chapter, we'll dive into how to use the power of your subconscious mind for personal success. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter of this transformative series.